Today we are going to be removing our rear 3/4 glass windows on our JA-11 Jimny here, and we're going to be replacing those with these all aluminum Gullwing windows from Explore Glazing. These two handles unlock, open up, and allow our window hatch to swing open while staying mounted onto the car. We have a couple holes to install this onto our window frame. Solid, heavy-duty construction. You can see our latches here on the back that allow this thing to swing open, and our gas struts will connect here and here. We have our gas struts for the window, hardware, keys. They do say that this is 99.9% watertight with just the seal here. So we're undecided. We might run this, we might not. I should let go. I'm not gonna lie, this is probably the main reason that I got these things right here. Hey, there he is! This is Murphy, our trusty co-pilot. Alright, so there you have the aluminum Gullwing window from Explore Glazing. It's going to make it a lot easier for us to get things in and out of the back of our Jimny. It's also really nice because we can get some extra airflow for Murphy here when we really need it the most. We did just have a proper rainstorm, and I did not see any signs of leaks on this, so I'm definitely stoked on how the install went. Nice quality product, great customer service. You want to go for an adventure? Okay, says it's time to go. See you guys on the trail.